Hitachi Sound Break.
Hello, I'm Rob Akes.
My name is Brenda Du Bois.
1977 and 1975, I took the national championships.
Did you try to stand up tall?
I took a little bit of jitterbug and a little bit of rock and roll and kind of smoothed it out and created the hustle. So even though I did create the hustle, I'm still now learning new turns, new movements.
Whatever you've done today will form your life and guide your way. What did you do?
Doing it, practicing up, it's all learning. You have to learn. It's, you never stop learning.
自分の道を開いていくことは素晴らしい。ここにも一人、日立。
My name is Tony Duton. I'm 18 years old. Championships that I've won, I won first place in the Hester ISA Pro Bowl Series number 4 at the Big O in the doubles competition. To become a good skater, you have to practice every day. Watch people that are better than you, and you have to have a lot of determination to stay with it.
Whatever you've done today will form your life and guide your way. What did you do for tomorrow? What did you do for tomorrow? Did you wisely use this precious
自分の道を開いていくことは素晴らしい。ここにも一人、日立。